Hi everyone, welcome back to David's tutorial, and in this video let me show you how to verify your Rover on your Discord. So how do you verify your Rover on your Discord? So first you need to go to the Rover link, which is rover.link. Then it will lead you to the site right here. After that, press sign in on the upper right corner. Then it will sign in to your Discord. So make sure you have a Discord account. So you need to log in with Discord. So after that, it will redirect you to this page right here where you can see your Discord account will be displayed. So yes, you need to have new access right here in order to authorize Rover in your Discord. So press on continue to Rover. So it will now log you in, and right next to your Discord username, you will see this verification corner right here. So just press on that and then select item in order to verify your account. So yes. Then just go and click on continue, then log in with your Roblox. So you will now start with the verification of your Rover.